Google Pay, or is it GPay? What about that Android Pay thing? Wait, was it Google Wallet? Google's money management app has been knighted with multiple names in the past, and it's hard for the user to keep up with them. Not only have the names changed, but the intentions have also changed over time. Now, it's called Google Wallet, and it's the testing ground for a major project that Google has been working on for over a decade. So, let's dive into what Google Wallet is and if you should be on board with it. First, a little history. Google Wallet has a pretty long history. Back in 2011, the company revealed its first Google Wallet application, and it was pretty ambitious for the time. As the name suggested, it was a wallet that was powered by Google.it, allowed you to add different cards to your Google account that you could use to make purchases. You added cards like a limited list of credit/debit cards, certain gift cards, and a prepaid Google card. These purchases could be done online, but you could also use your phone to make purchases at physical points of sale. While this was innovative at the time, it didn't get the kind of traction that the company was hoping for. Then, in late 2015, Google launched another platform alongside Google Wallet, Android Pay. This platform did pretty much the same thing. It allowed the user to store several cards on the app and make contactless payments. Android Pay took on that functionality while Google Wallet devolved into being just an app for peer-to-peer payments. However, Google wasn't done yet. In 2018, the company then combined Google Wallet and Android Pay into one platform called Google Pay. This was an attempt to create a more integrated payment platform. As you can imagine, this platform allowed people to make contactless payments at physical stores. Google Pay also encompassed Google's online payment platform. So, if you paid for anything using Google Online, you'd be using Google Pay. In early 2022, Google again renamed its payment platform. This time, it recycled the Google Wallet name, and that leads us to today. So, what is Google Wallet now? Google has the ambition to make the physical wallet obsolete. The company wants your wallet to live on your phone. You're already able to add a myriad of credit and debit cards to your Google account and use them in the app. It's also compatible with a PayPal card. However, your wallet doesn't only hold your credit and debit cards. If you get a gift card from someone, you're likely to place it in your wallet as well. Well, you're also able to add gift cards from all types of stores to your Google Wallet. Some examples are Walmart, Starbucks, Best Buy, Panera Bread, Subway, McDonald's, Chipotle, GameStop, and so on. The list could encompass hundreds of stores. Next, the wallet lets you add loyalty cards from well-known vendors. These cards allow you to rack up points for shopping at different locations for added benefits like savings. Now, adding gift cards and loyalty cards is convenient enough, but Google's grand plan doesn't stop there. The company is adding legitimate forms of identification to the wallet. Let's start off with transportation. Google Wallet allows you to add your transit cards, including prepaid bus passes. What's neat is that your remaining balance on these cards can be displayed directly in Google Maps. That's not all, however, as Google allows you to add plane tickets to your wallet. You're able to buy the ticket from the official ticket site or from a third-party broker. From that point, you'll be able to add that ticket to your account. To use it, you'll just need to hold your phone to the reader. It will be read just like you're tapping to make a payment. At the moment, a select number of BMW car models allow you to add digital car keys to your wallet. You'll just need to hold your phone to your door, and it will unlock. Google says that more car models are coming down the road. As stated before, Google wants Wallet to be a full replacement for your leather pocket liner. This includes adding valid forms of identification to your phone. This is still in the early stage soft development and is currently limited to a few pilot programs in certain US states. The idea is that you'll be able to store your driver's license or ID card digitally in your Google Wallet, eliminating the need to carry a physical ID. However, it's important to note that this feature is subject to local laws and regulations, and not all states or countries may accept digital identification. With all these features and sensitive information stored in your Google Wallet, security and privacy become major concerns. Google has implemented various security measures to protect your data. This includes encryption, two-factor authentication, and biometric authentication options like fingerprint or face recognition. Additionally, Google claims that your data is stored securely and that it doesn't sell your personal information to third parties for advertising purposes. However, it's always a good idea to review and understand the privacy policies and terms of service associated with any app or service that handles your personal information. So, there you have it. Google Wallet has gone through multiple iterations, and now it aims to be an all-in-one digital wallet that replaces your physical wallet. With features like storing credit and debit cards, gift cards, loyalty cards, transportation cards, and potentially even identification cards, Google is working towards making your phone the ultimate payment and identification tool. However, it's important to consider your own security and privacy preferences before fully embracing this digital transformation.